Let's compute the linear correlation coefficient of the data to the right. This is number 3 on your calculator sheet. So if you have not done so, let's do the one-time setup, else this will not work on your calculator. So you want to go to second catalog, which is 0, and then go to diagnostics on. Hit enter and hit enter one more time to get done. And now number 3, everything will show up for you. So we want to put data in list 1 and list 2. So go to stat, edit, put in X into list 1, and then list 2, put in your Y. This next part is to plot it, so we're not to that yet, so we're going to skip that. Then we're going to go to stat, calc, number 4. We're going to type in L1, comma L2. Now, since I don't have, this calculator is a little different and we don't have the inputs directly on the screen, we're going to have to do a little bit different here. So right now we can hit enter. Now we have an equation and we have R. So the equation is going to come later in this chapter, but right now we're looking for R. Our R is 0.9456 and it's a negative. So the rest of these are going to be used later on in the chapter, and we'll see that later. But right now, all we're looking for or care about is our linear correlation coefficient, which is negative 0.946. So R is equal to negative 0.946. Okay. Now I want you to find the R for the data on page 1. So this information right here. Okay. So I'm going to pause this. I'm going to just type in these data points. Okay, I have the data now in the set. So a list, sorry. Go to stat, calc, and then number 4. Type in list 1, comma list 2. Enter. Our R is 0.939. So you can see here, up here, this is a negative slope. As X increases, Y decreases. So as one goes up, the other goes down. And then for golf, it was a positive. And you can see by our scatter diagram that it has a positive slope. If you wanted to look at the data, this would have to be in order for you to examine that.